And a week-long heavy downpour in Mombasa has continued to wreak havoc in the city, with residential areas among those most affected. The heavy rains partly submerged some houses in Likoni, Changamwe, Kisauni and Nyali.
Many roads are impassable due to floods, making it difficult for motorists as they drive to work. In Changamwe, residents of Kalahari slums are living in fear of being displaced from their homes following the heavy rains. Kisauni, Bamburi, Ziwalangombe, Bakarani, Maweni and Mshomoroni are among the affected areas. At Ziwalangombe, residents also protested poor drainage systems, blaming the county government for not working on the same. County Executive for Transport and Infrastructure Taufik Balala says the county has made some progress in solving the drainage system.
What we're doing now is pumping out water in areas where estates have been flooded. It will take some time. It will take many rainy seasons before we can get everything organized.
He added that the county is currently working with the 500 million shillings which was allocated to the infrastructure department. Halimagongo, NTV.